Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In previous video we saw how to know your sent mail has been read or not with an extension. Now in this video we will know if someone is tracking you, then how you can prevent yourself from that extension. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. For adding extension, click on these three dots, topmost corner of your browser. Click on extensions. Click on visit Chrome Web Store. Here type ugly mail. Here click on the first one extension. Click on add to Chrome. Add extension. Ugly email has been added to your Chrome. It is successfully added. Now it will prevent you if someone is tracking you with that extension that I have told you. I have created a playlist, some useful Chrome extensions and some useful VS Code extensions also. Please check out those playlists also. They might be helpful for you. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.